Welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 15 or iPhone feature in any Android device. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. That you can see on the screen, I have an app library and the interface is look like iOS 15 in Android device. So I'm going to show you how to get this look in Android device. First we have to launch App Store. Yes, I have App Store in my Android device. And we have to search for iOS 15 launcher or launcher iOS 15. And we have to install the first one. Download it, so I have to tap on open. You will get this interface and we have to scroll and tap on make default launcher, tap OK. Have iOS 15 feature in your Android device. That you can see the whole look is like a iPhone. Control center like an iPhone, then we have to launch App Store again and search for Control Center iOS 15. Choose the download and install Control Center iOS 15. And if you're looking for a dialer, the iPhone dialer, then what we have to install, iCall dialer. Download and install iCall iOS 15 dialer and contacts. With these on Play Store, you can change your Android device to iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.